Hey everybody, today we're going to be continuing the 2021 MCAS. If you look in the video description, there is a link to the digital version as well as a printable PDF. And we're starting with number 4. All right, let's get right to it. It says a survey was given to 15 customers at a store. The customers rated their satisfaction with the store on a scale of from 1 to 10. These ratings from the survey are shown in this list. So we have 15 numbers here, going 1 to 10, and it says complete a histogram to show the distribution of customer satisfaction ratings. Drag the top of each bar to the correct height. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put these numbers in order from lowest to highest. So, any ones? Yes. Any twos? Yes. Any threes? No. Any fours? No. Any fives? We have 2 of them. Any sixes? There's 1 of them. Any sevens? 1, 2, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Any eights? We have 1, 2. Any nines? 1, 2, 3. Any tens? 1, 2. Okay, so there should be 15 numbers here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15. Okay, cool. And we notice here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. It's the rankings are the categories rather, are 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9 to 10. So I'm going to circle the numbers in each group. It makes it easier for us. So there's 2 here. 3 to 4, there's none. So 1 to 2, we're going to bring this up to 2. On the digital version, you have to drag it. So by default, it starts at 1, so you either go up or down. 3 to 4, you'd actually go down to 0. So there's no way for me to modify it in the paper here, unfortunately. 5 to 6, we got 3 of them right here. So you drag it up to here. 7 to 8, looks like it's 5. Okay. Different color here, like that. Drags it up there. And then 9 to 10, we have 5 as well. So, there you go, that's what it would look like. Okay, pretty straightforward. It's a lot easier when you put it in order from lowest to highest. You want to use scrap paper for this, obviously, and then, or you could use your dry erase marker, but I think it's easier just to scrap paper this. Number 5. Okay, a system of equations is shown here. We have y equals negative 1/2 x, and then we have x squared plus y squared equals 20. Which of the following ordered pairs are solutions to the system of equations plus 2 ordered pairs? So, you don't really want to try to use elimination or I mean, you could use substitution here, but I wouldn't recommend it. I think you're just better off, honestly, just plugging these numbers in and see which pairs of numbers give you a true result for both equations. It takes a little bit of time, but in my opinion, it's the best way to do it. That's what we're going to do to solve this. So we're going to plug these numbers into both and see if we get a true result. So letter A, negative 8, negative 4. So we're going to start with y equals negative 1/2. Oops, I screwed up already. Y equals negative 1/2 x. So y is going to be negative 4, and x is going to be negative 8. So negative 4 equals, well, negative 1/2 times negative 8 would be positive 4. So negative 4 does not equal 4, so that's out. That's out. Okay. Let's try this bottom one. 8, negative 4. So y equals negative 1/2 x. Negative 4 equals negative 1/2 times positive 8. Negative 4 equals negative 4. So that works. Now let's check the other equation. So x squared plus y squared equals 20. Our x is 8. So 8 squared plus negative 4 squared equals 20. 8 squared is 64. Negative 4 squared is 16. And that's 80 equals 20, which of course is not correct. So that means this is out. Because it has to be, both of them have to be true. So it was true for the first equation, but not the second equation. Let's try this one right here, negative 4, 2. So y equals negative 1/2 x. So 2 equals negative 1/2 times negative 4. And then 2 equals negative 1/2 times negative 4 is positive 2. So that works. Okay. And then we'll try the other equations. We have x squared plus y squared equals 20. Excuse me. Negative 4 squared plus 2 squared equals 20. Negative 4 squared is 16, and then 2 squared is 4. And 16 plus 4 is indeed 20, so they both work. Okay, cool. So this is one of our answers, but there's 2 of them, so you need 2 correct answers here. Okay, let's try 0, 0. So y equals negative 1/2 times 0. And 0, I should put next there, sorry. 0 equals negative 1/2 times 0, and 0 equals 0. So that one works. Okay, let's try the other equation. We'll do it up here so there's more room. X squared plus y squared equals 20. 0 squared plus 0 squared equals 20. 0 plus 0 equals 20, and 0 equals 20, which of course is not correct. That's out. That means C is out. So it has to be D, but let's just double check. Okay. So we have y equals negative 1/2 x. We're going to plug in negative 2 for y. And negative 1/2 times 4. And negative 1/2 times 4 is going to be negative 2, so that works. Cool. Now we're going to try x squared plus y squared equals 20. So 4 squared plus negative 2 squared equals 20. And 16 plus 4 equals 20. Excuse me. And 20 equals 20, that's correct. Okay. So B and D in this case. So you can see this problem, if you plug in, it takes a while, but it's worth it. You get it right. You know you get it right. So I think it's worth it. The next one, I believe, is a 4-parter. We're going to do a separate video for this one. So this will be a shorter video right here. That's fine. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.